Hi, my name is Aiden Denton. I'm a junior. I'm the programmer of the app.
Hello, my name is Boston Burton, and I'm also a junior and the artist for the app.
Hi, I'm Jason Zhang, and I'm a senior, and I'm the designer for the layouts for the app.
We are from Cabot High School in Cabot, Arkansas, and we're the creators of Miner's Quest.
So what's Miner's Quest and why do we make it? So Miner's Quest is a block blasting game in which the goal for the player is to achieve a certain set score obtained by destroying minerals and preventing the blocks from reaching the cannon. With multiple special gemstones, each with powers correlating to real-world uses, and they're used to assist the player on the way to achieve that score.
Some of the gemstones and their abilities are the diamond, which has a larger blast radius, and the quartz, which slows the rise of blocks. If the player manages to reach the passing score, the game is concluded in a victory for the player. However, if the player is unable to subdue the rising blocks and the blocks make it to the cannon, the game will conclude in a loss.
The development of our game was guided by the idea of designing an experience that is both engaging and educational. We wanted to create something that is not only enjoyable to play, but also as a tool to help enrich the player's knowledge. Our app is mainly directed towards those with any level of interest in the diverse and fascinating minerals found across Arkansas. This app is supposed to be an interactive way to learn and appreciate the state's geological treasures.
Our app Miner's Quest uses software GameMaker Studio, which uses the programming language of GameMaker language. In the development of the app, four main things were required: the creation of the bomb, the collision with the walls, the gemstones, and the moving of the dirt. For the creation of the bomb, it simply follows the mass's X and Y position, sending it in the appropriate angle as well. Then, once it collides with the dirt block, it destroys the one it immediately hits and scans the surrounding one for adjacent blocks, and removes those as well. Furthermore, in the creation of powers, it follows its own special method, where when it is destroyed, it displays its gem, the sprite of the gem, and adds the respective power. Lastly, after every shot is made, every block decreases the Y value, and once it reaches the top, it gives a game over message and restarts the game. This project served as a valuable lesson in programming for me and forced me to learn many new things, including an entire new software for making applications, which took an extended amount of time. What I would change if we had the time to create a 2.0 version is that I would implement more procedure generation, alternate versions of the common block, and implement more of the planned powers.
To make these ideas come to light and properly presented, we need a pixel art designing tool. We decided on Sprite as I have a lot of experience with the platform and it is also a professional tool. This tool allowed me to express the intricacies of the game in expert detail.
So some things that we learned while participating in the Congressional App Challenge are learning to work as one solid team, improving our communication skills, and developing better time management. I would say the biggest takeaway from this challenge is that we were a little too overambitious when it came to designing our program. Thus, with the time constraint, we had to simplify it down.